In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Fusion 360 entitlement not found error step by step. This is a really common issue that stops you from using Fusion 360, and it usually happens when the software can't verify that your account has a valid license. The good news is, in most cases, this is quick and easy to fix. Make sure to stick around because I'll walk you through all the possible causes and solutions so you can get back to designing without any interruptions. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, let's understand why this error happens. The entitlement not found message basically means Fusion 360 cannot confirm that your account has permission to use the software. This can happen for a few reasons, like being signed into the wrong Autodesk account, having an expired license, or even a simple internet connection issue. So let's go through the fixes one by one. The first and most important step is to sign out and sign back in. Open Fusion 360, click on your profile icon and sign out completely. Then close the application, reopen it, and sign back in using the correct Autodesk account. This step alone fixes the problem for most users, especially if you accidentally logged in with a different email. Next, check your license status. Go to the Autodesk website and log into your account. From there, verify that your subscription or education license is still active. If your license has expired or hasn't been assigned to your account, Fusion won't be able to verify your entitlement. If you're using a student license, make sure it's still valid and approved. Now let's check your internet connection. Fusion 360 needs to connect to Autodesk servers to verify your license. If your connection is unstable or blocked by a firewall or VPN, it can trigger this error. Try switching to a stable network, and if you're using a VPN, turn it off temporarily and relaunch Fusion. Another quick fix is simply restarting Fusion 360. Close the app completely, make sure it's not running in the background, and then reopen it. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary glitch that resolves itself after a restart. If the problem still isn't fixed, the next step is to clear the Fusion 360 cache. This resets local data and can resolve deeper issues related to corrupted files or stored login data. Autodesk provides official steps for clearing cache, so follow those carefully depending on your system. And here's a quick tip to remember. This error almost always happens because Fusion 360 cannot confirm your license. So in most cases, simply logging out and back in with the correct account solves the issue right away. And that's it. You now know how to fix the Fusion 360 entitlement not found error quickly and easily. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.